How to make money with Spocket Dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Spocket Dropshipping. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows dropshipping by now. It is one of the most popular business methods currently used by people to make money without even creating your own product. So dropshipping is basically when a customer will purchase a product from your online store, and then your supplier is going to directly ship it to the customer's address, and you will keep the profit from the retail price. And there are many applications like Spocket that will simplify this process for you. So the first thing we're going to do to get started with Spocket is you're going to go on to spocket.co, and then you're just going to click on get started over here. And once you click on get started, you're just going to fill out your name and email, and you can also sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account if you want. Now, once you sign up, this is going to be your basic dashboard. So over here, you're going to find everything you need to get started with your dropshipping business. So on your left, you have your navigation panel, you have your search products, you have AliExpress, you have your import list, and your import list is basically the products that you are choosing to bring to your online store. Then below that, you have your My Orders and My Messages section. After that, you have your My Shop section, and from here, you're actually going to connect your e-commerce platform. So if you're using Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, Ecwid, WooCommerce, SquareUp, any kind of platform that you're using, any of these platforms, you can just connect your e-commerce store to your Spocket dropshipping application right over here. Now, once you do that, how do you actually get to making money with Spocket? Well, it's a pretty simple and easy process. You're going to go into the search product section, and everyone does their product search differently. You might be buying stuff directly from a local supplier, or you might have some other Chinese suppliers or any other cheaper suppliers. Well, what you're going to do from here is you're going to search for any product that you want to sell on your store. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into women's clothing, and we're going to take a look at the product over there. So I'm just going to browse the US and EU products, but you can go into the AliExpress section as well to browse those products, and you can see there are many different kinds of products. So let's say I'm just going to keep on scrolling until I find something that I like. So I'm just going to keep on scrolling, and I really can't find. Okay, so this is like a nice little dress. It's a Everly dress. It's in white, and it is listing at $101. So that is a lot of money. Now, the listing price is $101 while the retail price is $169. Now, the reason that I would not recommend a listing like this is because you can find a dress like this for a lower price. Now, why do I say that? If you want to know if you're really going to make a profit off of one of these items, you need to go onto Amazon and you need to search for the same thing. So let's say I want to search for white strap dress women, and you can see I have so many different similar results on Amazon for a lower price. So this one is $27, this one is $29. So you can see that there is a large price difference. And this is why I suggest that when you're using Spocket to also use Amazon and AliExpress in combination. So how do you make money? Well, you're going to go into the AliExpress section now of Spocket, and you can download the Ali Scraper for free, and then you can use that integration on AliExpress and then source your products from AliExpress as well. But if you want to continue your product search directly from Spocket, you're just going to go back into your search product section, and you're going to find a product that is lower than what you would find on Amazon. So we're going to search for dress. We're just going to enter that keyword, and we're looking for women's dresses or any kind of dresses, and we're just going to keep on looking for the dresses. So I'm just gonna wait for these to load up. Now you can see over here I have searched for lion pendant once more. I was looking through the dresses. I didn't find any product that I liked, so I'm looking at pendants over here, and you can see that this is a cute little lion pendant. It also has rhinestones on it, and it is at a retail price of $8 with free shipping. So with $8 and free shipping, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a lion pendant on Amazon to see if I can actually make a profit off of this item. So I'm going to search for lion pendant, and I'm just going to take a look at the listings on Amazon, and you can see over here that these lion pendants are selling for a lot more over here. So you can see that this one was selling for $88, but it has like a very thick chain. But you can browse the other ones, and this is selling for $100, and the products over here are overpriced as compared to the one that I'm finding on Spocket. So I would take a product like this, and I'm just going to open it up, or this one as well if you want it in gold. So you can just open this product up, shop, and you're going to do a comparison between the price that you're getting on Spocket and the price that they're selling on Amazon, because Amazon is a widely used search engine that people use for price analysis, and you're going to get a good estimate of how many people are actually going to buy a product at a higher price from your website instead of looking it up on Amazon. So this is $10, and this one is giving me a estimated retail price of $22. But if I go on Amazon, the prices are way stacked higher, so I can easily get it to sell for $22. So for a product like this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on add to import list, and then this is going to be added to your import list. And then you can also choose to order samples, and you can ask the supplier for a few of the necklaces just to see what the quality is like. And you want to make sure that you do order samples before you start adding stuff to your own retail store, because once you add stuff to your retail store and it goes to your customers, and if the customers don't like it and they find that it's low quality, they're not going to be very inclined to buy from your store again. So that is why I would really suggest that you do order some samples and see what kind of product that you're actually going to be selling to your customers. Now, below that, you also have your processing time, you have your shipping times as well. So in the United States, the supplier is going to ship within 4 to 7 business days, and worldwide, they are going to ship within 15 to 30 business day. And there are some countries, if a supplier does not supply to them, then they have added those over here as well. So you need to make sure that any of the countries that you are frequently selling to are not included on that list. So this is how easy it is to make money with Spocket. So with a necklace like this, so if I have the listing price at $10, so I'm going to get this for $10. And if there are any kind of shipping fees, if you want to leave that to the customer, but if you want to pay the shipping fees yourself as well, so these are 3.50, so around $14 or $15. So let's say I'm getting this necklace for $15. Let's grab out our calculators, and you can do the simple maths. I'm getting it for $15 and I can sell this for $30. I would be making $15 profit on each one of these necklaces I sell. And another plus point is that I will be generating, like if I sell 10 of these a day, I could easily be getting over $100 in income. So even if I do cut costs, it would be way over $100, like $150, and then I could even cut my costs, cut my marketing fees, all of that, and I would still be left almost around $100 of profit, just pure profit, without even having to create a product, without having to pay for anything, or without even having to, generate my own product ideas or any of that stuff. So this is how you make money with Spocket. Now, Spocket is available for free, but they also have a paid version. You can get started for free with Spocket, and you can just, browse the catalog from Spocket. But if you actually want to use Spocket and use their integrations and just use it as your dropshipping supplier, then you need to opt for the starter version starting at $24.99, and you also get a 2-week free trial. Then there's the pro version starting at $49.99, where you have a list of over 250 unique products. You get access to 25 premium products, and you also get AliExpress drop shipping. And on the Empire version, which starts at $99.99, you have a 2-week free trial, including 10,000 unique products and 10,000 premium products that you get exclusive access to. And you also get branded invoicing on both the Pro and Empire version of Spocket. So that is another thing that you can, create, very customized branding and packaging for your orders that you receive via Spocket to give your brand a unique, recognizable name. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to create your own Spocket, dropshipping supplier, or you create your own Spocket dropshipping method and link it to your e-commerce store and make money with Spocket as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.